Hello, little learners! It's the teaching ant. Let's learn and have fun. Today we're practicing CVC words. We're focusing on the short O sound, like aw in octopus. Let's practice reading short CVC words together. Caught, k. Aw, t. Caught. This is a cot. Pot, p. Aw, t. Pot. The pot is hot. Hot, h. Aw, t. Hot. It is hot. Pod, p. Aw, d. Pod. The P is in a pod. Rod, r. Aw, d. Rod. The rod is red. Cod, k. Aw, d. Cod. The cod is big. Fox, f. Aw, x. Fox. The fox can run. Box, b. Aw, x. Box. The fox is in the box. Cop, k. Aw, p. Cop. The cop has a hat. Mop, m. Aw, p. Mop. Mom has a mop. Your turn. Let's level up. Awesome reading! Please like, subscribe, and share. Let's play a game. Look at the picture. Point to the correct word on your screen. Are you ready? Let's go! Did you catch all the words? Good job! Now let's read full sentences. The rod is red. The rod is red. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. The cod is big. The cod is big. The fox is in the box. The fox is in the box. Your turn. Read the sentences on your own. You're doing great! Keep going! Were you able to read all the words? Good job! Let's play a game. Shout the correct word out loud. Are you ready? Let's go! Did you catch all the words? You are awesome! Please like, subscribe, and share. Let's play a game. Look at the pictures carefully and choose the correct sentence. Pick the correct sentence by either clapping your hands or stomping your feet. Are you ready? Let's go! And the correct answer is... The pot is hot. And the correct answer is... The tot is in the cot. Good job! And the correct answer is... The cop has a cap. You're doing great! Keep going! And the correct answer is... The cod is on the box. And the correct answer is... The man has a rod. Did you catch all the words? Awesome reading! Amazing work today! See you again! Bye!